Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about control flow. So, control flow is the idea that you want to direct your program in a certain way to do something for you depending on the condition. If that condition is met, then you do that thing. If that condition is not met, then you do something else entirely. So let's have an example. You see here, we want to make a program that filters out all the underage customers using their age. And to do that, we have something very special in Python called if. You see here, the color changed into purple to signify that it is a reserved keyword. So if age is larger than 21, then we have a colon here, and that is part of the syntax. And remember, syntax is just a way of writing Python code. And then you click enter, but notice how there is an indentation here. This indentation only means that anything that comes after the if is just going to be depending on if the condition before it was met. So if the age was actually above 21, then this is what we're going to do. Okay, so let's print. Come on in. Let's have some fun. Okay. So this is what's going to happen if the age is in fact above 21. When you're writing code, don't forget this colon here. Otherwise, the code will not work. Okay. So, and this indentation is worth a tab, just if you're curious. Okay, so what happens if the age is not above 21? Well, we do that, we signify that using the else statement. And same thing, you add a colon, and you click enter, and then you have this nice indentation that signifies that this is what would happen if the condition was not met. So print get the heck out of here. Okay, so let's try it out. Let's assume that the age is 16. And it says get the heck out of here. What about if the age is 27? Okay, come on, let's have some fun. And that's it. See you in the next one.